YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you can see from the title, we're installing this VRSF exhaust. And I ordered it from somebody on Facebook. They sold it to me for $650. They said it was still brand new, but like, you know what I'm saying, it's little shit like that. We're gonna get this box open and see if it's really still. Look like it might be all there. But I ain't gonna really talk too much through this video. I'm about to get the car jacked up so I can get the old exhaust off. Alright, so I actually went ahead and took the exhaust out, you know what I'm saying, off camera. Cause I ain't feel like waiting on my GoPro to charge up, so this won't really be a DIY. This is gonna be more of a comparison of how this exhaust sounded with the mufflers still there. Basically just downpipes. So it's gonna be a comparison of this versus a street VRSF exhaust. So I'm about to go ahead and get that assembled so I can slap it in. I'm gonna upload a clip of how it sounded before and how it sounds when I put this in. Alright, so based off the videos I've seen, this is a complete set. So we got this piece that comes from the downpipes down to this mid pipe right here. And then I think it goes into that one. That goes into the muffler. Then we got the tips. We got all the clamps. These are for the tips. These are for those sections. Then we got the exhaust gasket, hardware, and this little hanger. So it's a complete set. So I'm just about to start with this. Got my anti-seize. Start with this and just put it in piece by piece. Alright, I'm gonna try to show y'all how it looks now. So all four of these nuts and bolts in. You know what I'm saying? The fitment really perfect. Yeah. That color is my anti-seize. But you know what I'm saying? Exhaust really going underneath here kind of perfect. It ain't no metal to metal nowhere. They give a little some spacers for this piece right here, so that can clear. With some extra bolts they provide. We got this last connection, and still there's no metal to metal. And I saw a video where they said they couldn't use. The that little hanger right there that's provided in the kit. They said they couldn't use it because it would be metal to metal, like back here and somewhere up there, but I don't get metal to metal, so I'm satisfied with it. Then we got the muffler. Yeah, so then we got the muffler and that connection. Then we got the tips on. And that's probably gonna be the only thing I'm gonna miss with the old exhaust. It's the 4-inch tips versus these 3.5. I don't really like these. But alright, now to lower this down and start it up so we can get some exhaust clips. Alright, so it's the next day. I had to re-flash the car because I had the burble set and turned off, but I felt like since I put the exhaust in, I should re-flash it with the burble setting on. So it'll probably sound a little aggressive, so I'm about to get another cold start and take it for a spin. That's the video, man. Street exhaust installed. Matter of fact, this came in while I was putting the exhaust in. So this is another package I ordered from somebody on Facebook. And it's the port injection, stage 3 fuel pump, and a hob switch. And little stuff like that. So that's gonna be in the next video. Hopefully I do it soon. You know what I'm saying? Because my fuel pump going out and my high pressure fuel pump going out. So both fuel pumps going out. You know what I'm saying? I seen it on my logs. So that's going to be in the next couple videos. Low pressure fuel pump stage 3, port injection, hob switch, all that. And high pressure fuel pump. So stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Like the video if you mess with it. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment down below. And that's it.